Hey Colt fans, Justin Baldini, Director of Marketing for Colt here. This week on Topic Tuesday, what we're going to do is just walk through some quick, frequently asked questions that we've seen asked under our previous videos, and we're going to give you some quick answers. Take a look. For ammunition, Colt always recommends using SAMI specified and SAMI certified ammunition. So really, if it's, Hornady Federal, Spear, if it's any sort of name brand, decent ammunition that you might find out there and it's SAMI specified, then it's going to work fine in our firearms. Now, that being said, we do have a line of ammunition that we do recommend specifically, which is the Colt National Match ammunition from Double Tap. We worked with Double Tap in order to create specialized loads for our firearms that really work really well and complement each other well. The best way to get a date of manufacture for a Colt firearm is actually use the serial number lookup on our website. If you go onto our website under customer services, there's a serial number lookup tool. So even if you looked up your serial number maybe 2 years ago, we're adding more and more information over time. Go in there, look it up again. What you're going to find is maybe you'll find information for something that you tried to look up before and there was none. So that's definitely the best place to look for your manufacturer data. I know there's also some publications and books out there that have ranges in them too, so that can be a secondary fallback if it's not on our website. So taking your first shots with your Colt firearm, you really shouldn't need to do much. Take the gun out of the box, look it over real quick, just make sure that nothing got jammed in there while it was shipping or by the gunsmith. Maybe you had a flag in there that broke off. Give it a quick look, and then that's it. You're ready to take that thing out and go out and fire it. Generally speaking, you shouldn't really need to give it a full cleaning before you shoot it for the first time. You might need to drop a couple drops of lubrication in there, although they do leave the factory with lubrication. So even that, not required. After the first time you shoot it though, you will want to give it a full cleaning, that's for sure. So there you have it, Colt fans. There's some quick answers to your questions that you've left us in previous videos. Make sure you leave us some more comments below and we'll get to your questions next week on Topic Tuesday.